Hello there, I am Anas. I am a student of English period from Basic Batch. I come from Dwarka. Today I will share my personal experience with English period, which has been a blessing for me. I joined English period around the month of July, and I must say that it's been a game changer for me. The head and the teacher as well of the English period is Mr. Akram, who is truly dedicated and go to the extra mile to ensure to that the student each student receives the personal attention. They help me to bite the bullet and tackle my weaknesses, and I have seen a lot of positive changes and improvement in my life and English language. The best thing of the institute is that they provide the many opportunities to improve, and the cherry on the cake is the practice session every weekend, and it is providing me that is boosting my confidence, and preparing me to tackle my future circumstances. And overall I'd say that the English period is a real deal, and I will highly recommend it to anyone who wants to improve their communication skills. And if you are feeling stuck, don't hesitate to join the English period, and it's a decision you won't regret. Thank you.